Definition of education. Education is the learning of knowledge, skill, and habits of a group of people that are passed down from one generation from the next through teaching. Training of research in English. Education is called education which is also absorbed into education as education. In general, education can be interpreted as a conscious and systematic effort to achieve a better standard of living or progress. Education can develop character through various activities such as intellectual values, developing character, religious value, learning and training moral value, and so on. And second, function of education. And the first, developing potential. Education aims to develop the abilities and character of individual so that they can contribute to society. And the second, educating the nation life. Education plays a role in educating the younger generation and preparing them to compete at the global level. And third, character building. In addition to knowledge, education also serves to shape God's character and enable morals in learners. And education process. And the first in interaction, the educational process involves interaction between learners and educators and learning research in various environments. And the second, there is a lifelong learning. Education does not stop after the formality of school, but takes place throughout life, adapting to social change and individual needs. And the three component of education system: curriculum, learning process, assessment, educational facilities, and infrastructure. And the main objective of education, and number one, in there is developing learners potential. Education is directed of developing the potential of learners to become individuals who are faithful, pious, noble, highly knowledgeable, capable, creative, independent, and responsible citizens. And the second, there is a character and moral building. One of the goals of education is to shape good manners and character in students so that they can become individuals with dignity and integrity. And number three, there is a preparation for social life. Education also serves to prepare individuals to adapt and contribute positive to society through learning life skill and social value. And number four, there is a lifelong education. Develop awareness of the importance of lifelong learning as part of the continuing education process. Mm, Education has a very important role in shaping the character of the nation. Number one is the first, there is a character education. Through character education, students are taught moral and ethical value such as honesty, responsibility, and tolerance. This education serves to cultivate noble character traits that are necessary in social life. And the second is there is a facing global challenge in the era of globalization. Education also plays a role in maintaining the identify of the nation by integrating local and national cultural value in the curriculum. Education helps the younger generation to appreciate diversity and strengthen their sense of nationalism. And number three, and there is the role of teacher and educational institution. Teacher as learning facilitators not only transfer knowledge but also serve as moral role models for students. Educational institutions should create an environment that supports character development through curriculum and extracurricular activities. And number four, there is a family and community involvement. Character building is not only the responsibility of school but also involve families and communities. Cooperation between these their three elements is very important to ensure that positive value can be internalized properly. And some effective learning methods for teaching character values include, and the first, there is a cooperative method. This method emphasizes social interaction between students, where they work together in groups to achieve a common goal. Cooperative learning can improve student understanding of values such as cooperation, mutual respect, and tolerance. And the second, there is a discussion method. Discussion allows students to interact and share views on certain values. This method helps students understand multiple perspective and strengthens critical thinking and communication skill. And the last, there is a simulation method. Through simulation or role play, student can experience real situation that require them to apply character values. This method is effective in practicing social skills and empathy.